So I just arrived at my spectacular suite with BCA Furnished Apartments. I'm already in love with this kitchen. I mean, check out the size of this refrigerator. It's gonna suit all of your needs. Beautiful granite countertops, fully stocked. Anything that you have in your kitchen back home, they're gonna have here. You have your living room, which has a 50-inch smart TV, amazing place to relax, unwind after a long day, and everything is just a really nice, beautiful, modern design. And we can move into the bedroom. Again, another TV here, so you can relax here. The main room, but it's always gonna be cleaned. Something that should be of note, it's gonna be bi-weekly cleaning service, so that's kind of nice. Welcome to the bathroom, my favorite amenity, the double vanity. If you're gonna be staying with another person, I don't know about you, but I definitely need 2 sinks in my bathroom. This shower, walk-in, huge, way nicer than my shower back home, to be honest. And then we have the, trying out the air conditioning at that. You have your walk-in closet, huge, more than enough space, and your washer and dryer are located conveniently right here. So, in suite, makes it much easier. And for the grand finale, follow me. You have an amazing terrace. When you come out here, what you're gonna notice is there's no street sound. You're not gonna be hearing any cars. We're actually in the heart of Midtown, but this beautiful space, really quiet, all the peace that you're gonna be needing, and a beautiful, beautiful pool. I'm really loving it here.